In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated charts using Tableau. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting, adding animations to your charts can make your data storytelling more dynamic and engaging. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process in 5 minutes. First, we'll begin by opening the Tableau app. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to Tableau's official website, install the app, and launch it. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted with the dashboard where your creative journey begins. The next step is to load your data. This is a crucial part of the process, as the data you choose will form the foundation of your animated chart. Within Tableau, you have the option to connect to a wide variety of data sources, whether it's a local file like an Excel spreadsheet, a server, or even cloud-based data. Select your data source and allow Tableau a moment to work its magic as it loads and processes the information. This will prepare your dataset for analysis and visualization. Now, let's create a chart. With your data loaded, navigate to the Worksheet tab and start building your chart by dragging fields onto the rows and columns section, or simply using the Show Me panel. Experiment with different chart types like bar charts, line charts, or scatter plots to see what best represents your data. Take your time to arrange these elements until the visualization effectively conveys your story. Once you have your chart, let's make it pop by adding some animation. Begin by selecting the Format tab at the top. This opens up a range of options to customize your chart's appearance. Here you can change colors, sizes, and many other visual elements to enhance clarity and impact. After you've formatted your chart, it's time to introduce the animation. Locate Animations under the Format menu. By enabling this feature, you add movement to your data, helping to draw attention and maintain audience engagement. As you explore animation options, consider the type and speed of transitions that would best complement your chart. You might want a subtle fade or a swift motion, depending on the story you're telling. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've transformed static data into a dynamic animated chart in Tableau. Animations not only captivate your audience, but also help highlight changes and trends over time, offering a meaningful and interactive way to present information. Take a moment to experiment with different data sets and animations to find what works best for your specific needs. I hope this guide has been easy to follow and helpful in your data visualization journey. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.